Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of Money Matters Talks. Here we try to answer all your questions on personal finance. Almost every week we get asked this question: क्या सोने में पैसे लगाना सही है? सोने की चकाचौंध से हर कोई आकर्षित होता है. Now let's see some facts about gold. Gold is a relatively rare metal and is highly malleable. Why is gold price so high comparing to other metals which are rarer than gold? It is because of its unique appearance and multiple uses. Gold is considered noble of all the noble metals. Gold is perfect material of conducting electricity and also does not corrode or rust. So used as an electronic component in many electrical equipments. Gold is also sent back in space as components for spaceships and gadgets. From the total gold consumed, almost 50% is used as jewelry, 20% is with investors in the form of bars and coins, 17% is with banks, and the rest 13 to 14% is used in electronic dentistry and other industries. अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें, we import almost 30% of the gold. Gold is a part of Indian culture, be it weddings, rituals, decoration or investment. Indian government has gold reserves of 600 tons. Gold is also used as security to raise money immediately. Only Muthoot and Manappuram, these gold loan offering companies, have with them approximately 300 tons worth of gold deposits against loans. As per data from unorganized sector, total loan against gold is estimated at rupees 10 lakh crores. Now let's look at gold with an investment point of view. हमारी टीम ने सोने के मार्केट मूवमेंट पे नजर रखनी शुरू की. तब सोना करीबन 50,350 के रेट पर था. It went up till 52,700 levels. Things were looking promising. लोग बातें करने लगे कि अब तो सोना 75,000 के लेवल को भी टच कर सकता है. अब सोने का लेवल हो गया था 56,300 और अचानक it started falling and went down to 47,800 levels, which is a fall of more than 15% and that too in a matter of 3 to 4 weeks. हमने ये समझने की कोशिश की कि ये हुआ क्यों. तब पता चला, when there is a lot of fear in the minds of people, the money flows from riskier investments like stocks into gold. इसलिए gold की prices बढ़ी. So when there was a positive news about the vaccine, the mood of the investors changed and they started taking their money out of gold and started investing them back in stock market. That's why there was a volatility in the gold markets. Now, while we were making this video, the price of the gold went around 48,100 levels. We don't want to get into this business of guessing where the price of gold can be the next. Now, people invest in the gold as we believe in owning a physical asset that we can feel and can sell whenever needed. Gold will not lose its shine in the minds of people. तो अगर आप गोल्ड ऑर्नामेंट्स लेना चाहते हैं, then please buy as per your budget as you want to consume it for yourself. पर अगर आप सोने में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं, think of it for long term. Think of it as a tool to diversify your complete investment portfolio and allocate funds accordingly. You will also need to look at booking profits and change its allocation based on the detailed market research on gold. Do take help of your advisor for this, as most of us may be emotional about gold. Now, if you are looking for a safer form of gold investment, then the government gold bonds are your ideal choice. They come under the debt fund category and are more suitable for investors who are looking at gold purely as a form of investment. and not to use or convert it into physical form. Now, these bonds come under the purview of RBI. Sovereign gold bonds are government securities and their value is denominated in multiples of gold grams. The bond's maturity tenure is 8 years. However, you may choose to withdraw any time after the 5th year. Gold bonds are safe since it's being managed by the government. Fixed interest of 2.5% per annum is paid biannually to investors. Even a minor can hold a gold bond, or they can be jointly held. It can even be gifted, transferred to any other person who fulfills the eligibility criteria. That's all we have to share with you in this episode of Money Matters Talks. Don't keep this information to yourself and do share it with your friends and family. Your feedback and comments on our YouTube channel Money Matters Talks keeps us encouraging. Do like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for notification on new updates. Thank you.